this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 15mm wheel spacers on your Tesla Model 3. Let's go. Installing the wheel spacers also reduces the offset. The lower the offset, the more your wheels will protrude the fenders. Many off-roading lovers would like a wider stance, which makes their pickup trucks like more powerful and stronger. The special design of this bonus FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency uncontinuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, Bonus relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first FT cooling technique. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.